morning. Today I am participating in a new challenge, the Upcycled Jar Bottle Challenge, that's hosted by Mama Dares to DIY, Terrarium and Crafts Weekly, and Sweet Urban Rose. This is a challenge where all you have to do is just recreate something out of a jar or a bottle. These are great ladies. I love their channels, so check them out. And like and comment on their channels, because they really do work hard to provide some great content on their videos. Thank you, and this is how it goes. The first thing I want to do is I'm butting two of these pieces together, just like that, make them even. This is going to be the front of my crate. And then I'm going to take this chicken plaque that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am planning on gluing it right down in the center, just like that. I'm going to E6000 it together, and that's going to be the front of my crate. I'm debating if I should paint it first. You know what? I'm going to paint it first. The crate. I want the crate to be red, so I'm going to paint it first, and then I'm going to glue that down on top of it. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, I've painted all four of the pieces, the crate sides, and the two palette pieces that I need for this. When that side dries, I'm going to flip it over and I'll paint the other side, and then I'm going to start gluing the box together. Okay, so the second side is painted on all 6 pieces. I also painted the jars. They're drying right now. They're milk white, I call it right now. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. I'm rethinking my strategy, but for now, this is what I have. And they're drying. Okay, I glued those 2 pieces together on the back and attached the frame, and that worked really nice. So now I'm going to take it and turn that over, and I am going to put the super glue, or the E6000 there, and I am going to attach that just like that. It'll take a minute to get it standing up. Anyway, so I'm going to attach both sides on the crate, and then those 2 pieces I'm going to glue together, and they're going to be the back. I'll show you. Okay, both sides are on there. There was a little groove, so they fit in there pretty good. So that's the 2 sides. Kind of looks like a barn fence. I like it. I finished, the paint's dried on the jars, and I like the way they look. And I happen to look in my stash, and I have this red, like calico checked ribbon. I'm going to put that around the neck of those bottles. I think that is going to look so cute. So that's my next step. All right, I got all 4 of the walls glued into place with the E6000, and this is what the box looks like up front. Once that is completely dry, I want to glue it onto the base that I've out of foam board. I think that's going to be cute. Also, I've got the ribbon around the little jars. I think that's cute too. I'm not sure if I'm going to add any more to them yet or not, because sometimes simple is good too. So we'll see as I go along. Almost done. Okay, my caddy is complete. I tied some of the burlap twine around the jars, topped it with a couple of little sunflower, miniature little flowers. Set it up with my canisters that I made a couple of years ago, and set it on the box of this red crate for display, but it will go on my kitchen cabinet. Close-up look. I think it turned out cute. I really like it. It's a fun challenge.